Right now I'm trying to install a carpet for a 1990 Miata. Didn't really see too much videos on an easy way to install the carpet. I did not want to take the whole dash up just so I could reach in there. So this is a new carpet. It just got dusty with the stuff that behind of it. But what I did was, instead of removing the dash, I just cut the carpet right here and I tucked it in, is what I did. I tucked it in. That way you do not have to remove the dash. Let me show you on this side. So on this side, let me see. So on this side, you can see that I'm gonna have to cut quite a bit. So I just cut it and tuck it in, and it does look not that bad. The only reason why I'm doing this is just because this whole piece was missing, and I kind of wanted the whole interior kind of OEM. So hopefully that helps out. Just remove everything, which is pretty easy. Just the seats in the center console, and just cut it. And you can see the old one as well. So all I'm doing is tuck it in right here. That way I don't have to remove all of this. So it does save quite a bit of time doing it that way, and hopefully this helps whoever else is doing it, because this is way easier, I believe, as long as you don't cut too short. But it should be fine. Little update. So I drove it for a little while, so it's a little dirty now, but as you can see, carpet is all in, with everything all in. The other side as well. Just feel like this was a quick way of just putting the carpet in without moving the dash. So hopefully this helps everyone. Came out nice. I feel like there is just a little like loose, but other than that, you can't tell honestly.